Hey guys, Jimmy here with JPS Plumbing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prevent your pipes from bursting in a freeze so that this doesn't happen to you. This may look like a small burst, but this small burst can potentially cost you thousands of dollars in damages and repairs. So let's not waste no more time and jump right to it.
This one right here, for every homeowner or person out there with a plumbing issue. You wanna do it yourself? JPS, where to go? When that toilet don't flush right, or that sink clog, Jimmy's Plumbing Solutions gon' help you fix it all. With 10 years in the game in this plumbing trade, he don't wanna ask for help, I know that's why you came. Hook up that kitchen faucet with step-by-step plumbing knowledge. Do it yourself, cause it can save you a couple dollars. For minor issues every homeowner yet to see, JPS can say today we solving problems easily. No need to fear a couple pipes and some standing water. Just watch the videos here and we can get it in order. Come ask a question, leave a comment, like and subscribe. If plumbing tips are what you need, that's what he supplies.
Alright guys, so here's a few precautions you can take to prevent your pipes from bursting. Number one is going to be to keep your water faucets running. So basically you get one faucet on one side of the house and another on the opposite side of the house, and you basically just turn the cold water on, just have it running lightly. It doesn't have to be full blast, and this should prevent your piping from freezing. Number two is going to be leave your cabinet doors open. Basically, anywhere where you have plumbing, let's say the kitchen, your bedroom, wherever, just open the cabinet doors. What this does is it allows for the warm air from the house to get inside the spaces where it kind of locks in the cold temperatures. Number three is going to be to shut off the main water supply and drain all the water out of your system. So what you do is you locate your main. They could be on the side of the house, in your garage, pretty much just gate valve, ball valve. If you can't find it, you could always just go to the street, the city meter, and shut it off from there. Once you get that done, you want to go to your hose bibs. Usually they have one on each side of the house. You're going to want to open those up all the way, and what this does is it drains all the water out of the system, so you have no water in the system. So no water in the system means that your pipes can't burst. So this is just the 100% method of not getting any bursted pipes. I actually did this on the day that it got the coldest for us. I didn't even want to risk it with just running the water. Although I know it should have been okay, this was just did it just in case. So I just went ahead and drained all the water out of the house, and everything was fine. Turned it right back on in the morning. And number four is going to be call an expert. If you don't feel that you're up for handling these tasks, or if you're worried that you might not do anything right, just call your local plumbing company. They should be able to come out and check to see any weak spots in your plumbing, or just shut the water off for you, or anything. You just tell them what you want to be done, and they should have no problem taking care of it. Alright guys, I wanted to add one more precaution to the list, and that is to cover your hose bibs with a hose bib cover. You could get these from Home Depot. They're like $2 to $3. Once you get these installed, they should protect the hose bib from any harsh freezing temperatures. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so, where I'm showing you how to make plumbing repairs throughout your home, potentially saving you hundreds if not thousands of dollars. Until next time, happy plumbing guys.